Humans are evolutionary creatures. If you can't accept that, you might as well stop the video right now. There are plenty of other videos promoting fake, alternative facts. For those interested in the facts and intrigued by our true origins, let's dive into the fascinating world of distinct human lineages and how many of them contributed to the evolution of modern humans. Our narrative begins around 6 to 7 million years ago, when we last shared a common ancestor with our closest relatives, the chimpanzees. The first question we must ask is, how did we end up so different from our evolutionary relatives? Let's explore the fascinating contrasts that highlight our unique evolutionary journey. Humans are exclusively bipedal, meaning we walk on two legs. Chimpanzees, on the other hand, are versatile in their movement, often using all fours to get around. Why the difference? As we ventured out of the comfortable jungles and into the open savanna, walking became more efficient than swinging through trees. This transition might have been a necessity as we adapted to new environments. Humans exhibit a different kind of strength compared to chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are known for their upper body strength and ability to climb trees. Humans, on the other hand, evolved to excel in endurance rather than sheer muscular power. This adaptation is evident in our stronger legs, which are optimized for walking and running long distances. But why did evolution favor endurance over brute strength? Humans developed this skill for endurance hunting, a strategy where we would track prey over prolonged periods of time until exhaustion. But if endurance is so advantageous, why do modern humans spend so much time lifting weights? Did the 21st century gym rats finally put an end to this evolutionary innovation? Our skull shape differs significantly from chimpanzees, partly because we stand upright most of the time. Bipedalism also altered the hip angle, leading to the evolution of smaller skulls to facilitate easier childbirth. This shift in posture influenced our skull shape and facial structure. Another driving force for this change was our evolving diet. As we began to eat tougher, more complex foods, our chewing power migrated to the back of the jaw. Did we evolve just to enjoy some pistachios? Not exactly, but dietary changes did play a role in our facial evolution. Humans are characterized by our notably large and complex brains, further setting us apart from our ape relatives. Our increased brain size required more energy, initially sourced through scavenging and hunting meat. Later advancements included the mastery of fire, which enabled us to pre-process food, facilitating easier digestion. This innovation allowed us to allocate energy towards brain development rather than digestion. Our brain size increased significantly in the last 2 million years, long after our part with chimpanzees. Why did this happen so much later? The answer might lie in our adaptive strategies and changing environments over millions of years. Our remarkable opposable thumbs allowed us to create and use various tools. Activities such as hunting, fishing, food preparation, and clothing production relies on dexterity and precise tool handling rather than brute strength. Over time, both our hands and brains evolved, leading to the development of increasingly complex tools. This evolutionary process reflects our ability to innovate and adapt, enhancing our capabilities beyond physical strength alone. Now let's explore what happened after we parted with chimpanzees. You might think there was only one human species, but that's not the case. Over the millions of years since the split, there were often several human species living in coexistence. These species adapted to different environments and niches, yet they maintained the ability to intermix, even after hundreds of thousands of years of separate evolution. These interbreeding events, dated to hundreds of thousands of years ago, continue to affect the genomes of people living today. This archaic DNA affects crucial traits, such as the ability to adapt to high altitude and immunity to certain diseases. Indeed, we, modern humans, are not only the descendants of Homo sapiens, but also carry genetic traces from our closest extinct cousins, Neanderthals and Denisovans. As a result, we are a species rich in genetic diversity. able to adapt to various environments and challenges. Our unique heritage depends on this blending of species, highlighting the importance of genetic diversity in our evolutionary success. The study of human evolution has long relied on archaeology, fossil analysis, and the observation of primates, which provide valuable insights but do not offer a complete picture of our history. More recently, paleogenetics has become a crucial part of this research. So, what is paleogenetics? This field allows us to recover DNA from ancient remains, dating back hundreds of thousands of years, opening doors that were previously shut. Working with ancient DNA constantly provides novel insights into our evolutionary history, while also introducing new challenges for scientists to overcome. The story of human evolution is far from complete. Each discovery peels back a layer, revealing more about our resilience and adaptability. Whether you're a budding scientist, a curious historian, or someone fascinated by the story of us, there's always more to explore. Dive into the depths of our ancient DNA and see what secrets you might uncover about the very essence of being human.